5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
That's fucking awesome numbers.
Get those pillows pumping! Charge.
5 seconds, Kate.
Crit.
Five seconds.
We don't need bombs anymore.
It's on to the next engineer.
This engineer, quickly.
Cocoon wake.
Extra engineers on their side.
I didn't hear you numbers. You're talking to me.
No, Tommy, extra engineer.
Got him. Tommy, you wanna grab?
Didn't I already?
It's a different one.
Oh.
Elementals on entry.
Drop it.
I don't think I got mine.
Entry has a bomb on him.
Switch turn.
Drop in the card.
Diva.
I didn't hear you if you said you were dropping that.
I got Moon before. Got a Moon. Get the prem. Finish this. Got Felspire right now, there's nothing else. To the next target. And where's it dead for some reason? Back up. Cold me.
Divide him.
We need to star it by the bomb.
I'm coming in.
Get Eggy up. Wow.
10.
Kill star.
Got the prime off.
Popping.
Go.
Oh, the fire can suck dick. I'm gonna get the next, whatever you call it.
Give these fire colors.
Moon. Kill Moon.
Finish this primal.
Pop.
Next target, let's go. We get a fox if possible. Lots of fires, be careful with the transition.
Drop these fire callers if you guys can with cleave. If they ever come in.
Stars on. Stars ready to go. Popping.
On the fire color, primal. Lots of fires.
Devo.
Just call in. Moon in. With a dry cleaner.
Let me throw up spell power, please.
Were you dropping Moon?
Yeah, drop moon.
Moon going down.
Look out, Star.
Popping.
Star's getting low.
Just push stars to the next target.
Who's it off? It's on Kaz.
Okay,
Kill
get
it.
on-
There
kill
you
star.
Popping.
Kill primal. Go.
Got revive on 3.
Interrupt Moon.
Get moon. Moon's in a shield. Out.
Interrupt Moon again.
I'm gonna
And
divine
back-
him.
Oh my god.
Right there. Range kill it. Right.
Popping.
Okay, kill this primal. We're gonna transition. Getting these fire colors too.
Stage 3 cut.
Hey, three. Clean up these primals. Kill these three guards.
Kaz roar.
Road.
Get the boss over. Fire callers are the priority. Everyone without an elemental needs to stack up. Range DPS and healers tend toward the back corner of the room.
Be in melee. If you're not in melee, you're wrong right now, unless you're like elemental.
Melt, move, move, move. Snuggles roar.
Rock Hunter's down.
Get him up as soon as we can. 2 seconds. Another melt, 2 more, move.
Move out as far as possible. Keep moving the bus. You're doing great. Keep it up.
Sacrifice Wake.
Glenn.
Moving a little too fast, trying to run out of room.
Okay, okay.
on your footstep. Can we like pull us for people who have it?
Yep.
Yes.
Move, move, move. We got a melt that didn't move back.
Probably gonna get cut off. I'm just gonna drop this as far back as I can.
Who is it?
Wings is out.
Matrix? Yeah, I'm dead.
Let's move back. Drag.
I'm at 2, man.
I know, I'm at 3. I had to wait for it to fall.
Overheat it, we're gonna start game 5. Keep going.
Got revive in 5.
Ally person if you can.
Make sure you use taunt.
Guys, if you don't have something, if you're not fixated, please move.
Vulcan, can you lust in 10?
Yeah, I got you. Going forward. We have plenty of room.
Lust.
Less now.
3 seconds
Sacrifice
away.
wake if you can. What'd you say?
You have it.
Divine.
3.
Time 5.
Plenty of DPS up. Kill him.
I'm dead.
Got Guardian Spirit on off.
Oh shit!
Keep going.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a
Thank
Christmas
fucking
miracle.
Christ. Nicely fucking done.